Candace Collins in China, a Wuxi vlog. Very interesting. Who's that? Anyway, it's Tony. There's the real one right here. Alright. What's the matter, little guy? Here we go. Welcome to Wuxi Tony Update 199. Let's see what date it is today. Gotta check the date on this darn thing. What is it? What's the date today? Oh, September 28th, Sunday, September 28th, 2008. Welcome to Wuxi Tony Update 199. Tony guy's a little irritated right now because I got the gate up. Ah, you don't like that, do you? You don't like that, do you? Come with me. Oh, come with me. Oh, he's got to get that. Oh, I want Daddy to pick me up sort of mood. Okay. Well, there we are. There you go. A rare appearance by Tony's father on the camera. Oh yeah, I got a shower. Anyway, so what's new, Tony? What's new? Okay. Let's see, I'll open up the window, show you where we're at. Anyway, Sunday morning we're going to go shopping eventually. So, look outside the window, what do we see? Well, there's our new apartment complex, and as you can see there's a bit of construction going on across. Most of the units as yet are still unoccupied. Yeah. Anyway, I'll say hi to Mom and Dad. Haven't heard from you a bit. Tell me what's going on. I'll add that little message in. What else is there to say? Well, last night went to some reception to celebrate the 59th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China. And, well, we went, we ate, and we left, and that was that. It's kind of a funny thing, because we went in, and not much happened. We were waiting around for something to happen, but there was a very good spread. Oh, lots of good food. Had camembert cheese on crackers, which I really liked. And, oh yeah, onion rings. Haven't had onion rings in a long time. Now, what do you want me to do, buddy? What do you want me to do? Anyway, well, since I got you in my arm, I can't actually open this darn gate. Well, that's the bags. Alright. Now let's go to the other part of our apartment. We got the laundry hanging. Let's look out the window. What do we see? Yeah, there's people going for walkies. More people going for walkies. Are they going for church? I don't know. You can see there's bits of movement on our slow, you know, kind of out of the way, far from the CBD part of Wuxi. Down there. Ooh, look at that. There's some traffic. Oh, someone's got a pickup truck. So, you can see our laundry. Tony, what do you got to say for yourself? I'll tell you what I can see. Oh well, here we go. Watch this. Here's 3 women. You can see. I always find that annoying, especially when I'm driving, when 2 people have to ride abreast and talk to each other. Yeah, one of these days I'm going to do another electric bike video. Funny, yeah, I was talking to an expat yesterday, and he had his bike stolen, but hopefully I won't have that misfortune because I am in a fairly secure area, so looks like rain. And again, here's some more shots of Tony boy. He's kind of shy. No shots of me, thank you very much. I think you've seen enough of my ugly wuss. Alright. People riding doubles? No, you can't normally do that downtown Wuxi, they'll find you. But out in the burbs, anything goes. I don't think any of these people are going to church on Sunday morning. Anyway, on the big screen TV, we got some Looney Tunes. There's our IE. We got an IE, maid cleaning. Good, good. Alright, Tony, want me to put you down? Want me to put you down? Okay, let's see what happens if I try to put him down. Okay, Tony, say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera. Come on, give everyone. I want you to give everyone a big kissy. Mwah! Everyone who watched the video, everyone who watches the Wushy Tony update, Tony gives you a big kiss. Mwah! Alright. So there you go. Wushy Tony update 199, taken on September 28th, 2008.